So guys, this low down helicopter, I think there might be a criminal about. Yes, maybe. But I can't see a thing. I don't know if you can, but that is really low down and that is so loud. We're gonna go get a better angle of this bad boy. The reason why I'm saying it's so great is because I absolutely love helicopters. Hey James. I mean, this thing is so low down. You can hear it. You can see it. It is epic. It is everything you want to see of a helicopter. Extremely low down, just for you. Or just me, really. And people of my village, which Americans would call a neighbourhood. But I don't know if you would still call it a village. Or if you just call it a neighbourhood. But, whoa, is this like zoomed in or something? I mean, it looks zoomed in, it does. And that's really all I wish to see, because I absolutely love helicopters. If you know me, sometimes I even go helicopter spotting. Woo! I'm trying to attempt to try and get selfies with the helicopter. That's my attempt to try and get a selfie with that guy. He is so low down. If he landed right over here, I would be amazed. And I'd probably go deaf. Damn, this thing is this beast. Eh? So yeah, I'm gonna end the video now, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye!